Hey.
Hi. I changed hours with Paul so I could come home.
You like candles?
Yeah. I've been worried about you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I just went for a walk on the beach.
No,
I will let you know if I need to
that's
come
not what I meant. Actually, I saw you walking on the beach. I was worried when I left.
Oh.
It just... You don't seem happy.
I'm happy. You make me happier than I've ever been.
You don't seem that way. It scares me.
What can I say? I'm insecure. And if I didn't love you so much, I wouldn't be so unbearable.
No. It's because of Tori.
Cruz, she was a big part of your life, and I accept that. That she's still a part of your life, I don't.
I understand the way you feel. But I gotta ask you to respect the way I feel. I wouldn't be playing this so close to the vest if I didn't have to, Eden. Could we possibly go an hour, say, without mentioning her name or saying the word secret?
I suppose so. Actually, to be safe, why don't we try going a whole hour without talking? Is that what you mean?
Baby, that's exactly what I mean.